nibble inside of a chicken.
Okay. It's day. We love our pets, as you can see, but we also still eat meat. We have not gone vegan yet.
Yet.
Well, you never know.
Never.
Never.
We still get our protein from meat.
Yep.
We are going to humanely
Butcher and kill.
butcher our chickens. We've cleaned everything. Andrew's digging a hole for the intestines after it's all over. Wait, that's... Huh? I think so. Should be good.
Audrey and Carson and Butcher are guiding, and me and Mama don't do his bare hands.
Should I do a before and after picture on them? Just like, it's like before.
You guys, we respect these animals, okay? This isn't like, we're not killing for fun. We're not, this is, those things have life force in them too, just like us.
I know.
All right, and we respect them for the nutrition and the life that they're gonna give us, okay? This is a sacred thing. It's not a barbaric thing we do. This is something we do for survival. So, and we've been doing it for thousands and thousands and thousands of years. We're just getting better at it.
Yeah.
What's that there, buddy?
My hand broke my glove.
All right, guys, we're gonna say a prayer before we kill these guys, okay?
Okay.
What happened?
Did you guys cut this part off too, the tail? You're supposed to, but it has anus connected to it.
Andrew, can you help me?
How you feel, Carson? What are you thinking?
About what? About the water?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. It's life, right?
Okay, this thing's hot. Audrey.
Like, two pieces.
We're gonna find a sack that it's a sack that we found. Alright, pull it. Where that little joint is. No, not that. Right here. Pull the neck.
It's better than Rayleigh's doing it for you, right?
Cause you know it's clean.
Time for cleanup. Farming's not easy. We kept a male and a female to hopefully get a new batch here. Mama and Papa. I can practically taste those chicken tacos now.
They're gonna be good because they're seasoned and vacuum sealed.
Yeehaw.
Oh my god, let's put that in my can.
Okay, not fun.
Huh?
Next time we want to be more.
It's tiring. The first one.
It's work.
Well, the first
It's
one,
work.
The first one was fun, and now it's being like tiring.
Now it's work, right? Yeah.
You can come season some birds if you want me to take over that part.
Yes.
There's rest over here. Son of a bitch.
That's how you do it. That's actually for fishing. Catfishing.